Hello everyone, welcome to the PHP tutorials section of our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates. A password is a word or phrase used to control access to a computer system, network, or data. As part of security measure, password must be a combination of letters, number and special characters. Passwords are used a lot in web, desktop and mobile applications. In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate random passwords in PHP. The following are the requirements for this tutorial. XAMPP. Text editor. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to 1. Create a PHP script that generates random string or password. 2. Understand the different functions used in order to create a random password or string in PHP. A. Array B. Strlen C. Ran D. Implode. 3. To integrate and apply the source code in your projects. The script will start at line 22 and end at line 34. Line 23, PHP post is a PHP superglobal variable which is used to collect form data after submitting an HTML form with method equals post. Post superglobal is also widely used to pass variables. Line 24, next, we have declared a variable data that will handle or store the string which consists of lowercase, uppercase letters and number from 1 to 10. This will be the source of our random password. You may also include special characters to make our generated password more strong and secure. Line 25, create a variable with an array function. The array function is used to create an array. In PHP, there are 3 types of arrays: indexed arrays, arrays with numeric index; associative arrays, arrays with named keys; multidimensional arrays, arrays containing one or more arrays. Line 26, string underscore variable is a variable that will hold and store the length of the string in data. The strlen function in PHP returns the length of a specified string. Line 27 to 30, this is the for loop that will run or iterate for 8 times. It means that the generated password is 8 characters in length. You are free to modify it based on the number of characters you want. It is possible to get a random integer value from the ran function in PHP. This function can be used to get a random integer value from the range, min, max. Line 31, it will echo the label random password. The echo function outputs one or more strings. Line 32, it will print the 8 characters random generated string or password. Print function it is used to print one or more strings. It is not actually a real function, it is a language construct. So, there is no need to put parentheses around its list of arguments. Implode function returns a string from the elements of an array random underscore pass. Watch the video coding on how to generate random password in PHP. When creating a password, make it at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A strong password is less likely to be guessed or hacked than a weak password. With this article and tutorial, you have used different functions in PHP in order to generate random strings and password. We hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. Wishing you the best of luck with your projects. Happy coding!